Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Peggy, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial how to make your own high-waist pleated shorts. Well, before that, I would like to introduce my clone twins to you, and I'm going to start on her. So please stay until the end of this video. I'm going to show you guys how to style your high-waist pleated short pants like a tailored look for work and play. Let's get started. start dipping a toe into a pleated shorts trend. I used to equal this trend with 90s mom, but I lately realized that there are so many cool ways to wear them, no matter what aesthetic you are going for. High waist pleated pants are trending and is my new best friend. It has a chic menswear feel but with power pitch ass, and mostly because they just work better for any body type. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please share with me if you have made yours, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!